Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be working with the UKO wrap and the UKO knot, the classic knot. So again, starting with your hair in a little ponytail, bun, twist it up. You're going to take the wrap and you have the little elastic band back here, and you're going to just put it on your head a little bit past your nape. Hold it a little tight. And going again in an upward motion, cross it over. So cross it over just like that. And then you're going to tie a knot in the back. I double it up, tie 2 knots. All right. Then I'm coming to the front and I pull these down. I'm going to close up any gaps that I see. So those are all closed. Grab my attachable piece. So again, we're working with the classic knot. They have 3 on the back. So again, you're going to do one tail here, and then both tails down the middle, like a V. So one tail, and both down the middle. And so once you get them all in, you're going to just slide it on up. So it's flat, no gaps in between. So take those tails, tie it in a knot. And again, I do it twice. Most important step, you're going to lift up the head wrap and gather all those tails. Make sure I gather everything. And you're going to tuck it underneath. So everything is tucked. You're going to go and slide your finger underneath a little bit and pull over the tails. Go to the other side, and again, you're going to slide it up and then pull it over. Tuck anything that's sticking out. And bam, I have everything attached. There's my classic knot. So I'm going to give you all a twofer in this one. So say I get tired throughout the day, I want to take this thing off. I don't want to have the knot on. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the knot loose. Taking the knot loose. Taking that off. Pull it down a little bit. And across it. Don't worry, we're going to tuck that, tie the knot. Double up, tuck it under. Pull over, pull over. I'm just going to make sure everything's tucked back here. Tuck the satin under. And bam, I got me another turban style. So this is, I think, out of all the videos, this is the 3rd turban style that you can get. But you can wear your attachment. You can take it off, turn it into a turban. You didn't have to take the whole thing off, but do whatever you want to do.